Most men think losing strength after 50 is just part of getting older, but that's not what's really happening. Here's the truth. You don't lose strength first, you lose connection. The signal between your brain and your muscles starts to weaken. The deep muscles that protect your joints, your spine, and your shoulders slowly stop doing their job. And when that happens, everything changes. Your knees start to ache, your shoulders click and feel unstable. Your back goes out from the simplest movements. Not because you're old, but because your body stopped working as one system. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Centuries ago, Shaolin monks figured this out long before modern gyms ever existed. They didn't rely on heavy weights or endless reps. They used something far more effective: static tension. Simple holds that reactivate deep muscle fibers, rebuild stability, and restore real usable strength without beating up your joints. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 of those exact holds that can help you rebuild strength, control, and confidence in your body, no matter your age. But real quick, if you want simple, effective workouts that actually work in real life, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps this channel grow, and it tells me to keep making videos like this. Now let's start with the first one, the hold that instantly tells you if your core, hips, and shoulders are still working together or not. Exercise 1, the bear crawl hold. Most people think strength comes from the chest, arms, or legs, but real strength actually begins in the center of your body. Centuries ago, Shaolin monks understood something most modern gyms ignore. Your body isn't just a collection of separate muscles. It works as one connected system. The bear crawl hold activates that system instantly. The moment your knees lift just 1 inch off the ground, your body has to activate nearly every stabilizing muscle at once. Your shoulders stabilize, your core locks in, your hips fire up, and your spine locks into a neutral, protected position. This one position restores full body tension, something many men lose completely after years of sitting and inactivity. Start on all fours. Keep your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Tuck your toes under and lift your knees just 1 inch off the floor. Not 6 inches, not a foot, just 1 inch. Keep your back flat and your neck neutral. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your back. It shouldn't spill. You'll instantly feel your shoulders, abs, quads, and glutes light up. Week 1, hold for 3 sets of 15 seconds, focusing on control. Week 2, increase to 3 sets of 30 seconds. Week 3, work up to a full 60-second hold while maintaining perfect form. Once you master this, your body starts working as one powerful unit again. Exercise 2, the horse stance. If you've ever watched martial artists train, you've seen the horse stance. It looks simple, but it builds incredible leg strength while staying friendly to your knees. Instead of lifting weights repeatedly, your legs stay under constant tension. Your quads burn, your glutes activate, and your inner thighs stabilize your hips while your spine stays tall. For aging individuals, this is powerful because one of the biggest issues with age isn't just strength, it's hip stability. Weak hips increase the risk of falls. Start with your feet wider than shoulder width, toes slightly turned out. Lower your hips while keeping your chest upright. Push your knees outward and feel the tension build. Week 1, hold a higher position for 20 seconds, 3 sets. Week 2, go deeper and hold for 30 seconds. Week 3, thighs parallel to the ground, hold for 60 seconds. This is where real lower body strength and stability return. Exercise 3, the hollow body hold. Many traditional core exercises can worsen back problems over time. Sit-ups, crunches, twisting machines, they all force repeated spinal bending. The hollow body hold does the opposite. It trains your core to stabilize your spine. Lie on your back with your lower back pressed firmly into the floor. Raise your arms and legs slightly, forming a shallow curve. Week 1, bent knees, hold for 15 seconds. Week 2, extend one leg, hold for 20 seconds. Week 3, full extension, hold for 30 seconds. This builds deep core strength and protects your spine like internal armor. Exercise 4, the bottom push-up hold. Many shoulder problems come from repeated pressing movements, but when you hold the bottom of a push-up, something changes. Your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all fire at maximum intensity without constant joint movement. Lower yourself to just above the floor and hold. Keep your elbows tucked and your core tight. Week 1, use knees or elevation, 15 seconds. Week 2, full push-up position, 20 seconds. Week 3, hold for 30 seconds. That shaking you feel, that's your stabilizers coming back online. Exercise 5, the wall sit. One of the biggest reasons people lose independence is weak legs. Standing up, climbing stairs, it all becomes harder. The wall sit builds leg strength without joint strain. Stand with your back against a wall, then slowly slide down until your knees are bent. Press your entire back flat against the wall, no arching. Dig your heels into the ground, keep your chest up, and hold that position. You should feel your thighs start to burn within seconds. That's exactly what you want. Week 1, 45-degree bend, 20 seconds. Week 2, deeper position, 30 seconds. Week 3, full position, 60 seconds. What makes this so effective is how well it transfers to real life. This isn't just about stronger muscles. It's about keeping your independence and moving with confidence every day. And that's the real power of this kind of training. Not just building muscle, but rebuilding the foundation your body depends on. Because these 5 holds don't just make you stronger, they reconnect everything that's been slowly switching off over the years. Your core starts supporting your spine again, your shoulders feel stable instead of fragile, your legs stop feeling weak and start feeling reliable. No heavy weights, no joint pain, no guesswork, just controlled tension done consistently. And here's the part most people miss. This only works if you actually use it. Not tomorrow, not next week. Start today, even if it's just one hold for 15 seconds. Because the difference between people who stay strong after 50 and those who keep losing it. So take these 5 holds, pick your starting point, and commit to getting just a little better every week. A few more seconds, better control, stronger positions. And if you stay consistent for the next 4 to 8 weeks, you won't just notice a difference, you'll feel it when you stand, walk, lift, and move. Everything becomes easier, more stable, more controlled. So if this video gave you value, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps this channel grow and lets me keep creating content like this for you. And share this with someone who thinks getting weaker with age is normal, because it's not. And finally, don't just watch this, use it. Start today.